Inish in Enaclummer and Tullog, agus Keiguishi Queen and Tosha Con Soldier on is 2/3 of the mighty Ash. What's poppin', players?
Oh, things are popping. Well, we're one man down. He's Rick's went to bed at 12 this afternoon, so
that's not rock and roll.
This noon he went to bed. Yeah.
I hope there was some afflicting him. That's not rock and roll at all.
Yeah, no, it's lame. Yeah,
It's lame.
Lame, very lame. But yeah, we'll hope he recovers by the time we play tonight.
Is this a sign of Ash kind of entering that twilight stage of elder statesman of Irish rock where you're retiring with 12?
Yeah, I guess so.
No, he went to bed 12 this afternoon.
This morning.
Oh, as in he wasn't. Oh, he did an all-nighter.
Yeah.
Oh, here's me thinking he was going for a little nap before the gig.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's immense.
Yeah.
I take it all back.
Yeah.
Stand corrected. That's incredibly rock and roll.
No, we're just getting worse and worse.
Ash still flying the flag, still flying it loud and proud. That's fantastic. As last time we checked in views was last November.
Yeah, that's right, in the Button Factory.
And Button Factory,
yeah.
and you were just about to finish your second last night of your tour.
Yeah,
doing Dublin,
amazing.
and then you're up in Belfast. So what have you been up to since then, I suppose?
We've been putting out a lot of singles.
Put out a lot of singles, and we went on a UK tour.
Oh, you were doing that thing.
Yeah, we're doing 26 singles in 1 year.
Yes, yeah. How did you find that as a mechanism?
Great. I'm still working, we're about 2/3 through it, so it finishes in September. So it's this new song coming out every 2 weeks. It's amazing.
For a festival like this, where the weather is horrible, and it's kind of like it's kind of that vibe, I suppose, where you want to just give the people what they want type thing.
Oh, yeah, well...
Do you feel like a pressure in a situation like this?
We're actually playing in a tent tonight, so we're actually hoping it rains.
Yeah.
There you go.
But yeah, we do know what our favourites are, but we sort of have to cut our set down way, because we've only got 40 minutes to
That's what I'm saying, it must be hard then to kind of make a...
Yeah, so it just ends up being almost pure hits.
Always a pleasure.
It's good.
Wish you continued success. 26 singles. Check on Amachna lads, Aaron Idgerleen, Ash or Pop4.